I thought today I would try to do some work on this piece. Come off my 268 baler. See how bad it is. It's terrible. It's not real deep here and pretty deep over here. The thing is, I was going to buy a new one. $130 new for this damn piece. I just can't see it. So what I thought I'd do is just take, maybe run a few beads of weld, build it up a little bit. It's not all the way through. At least it don't appear to be all the way through. So it looks pretty thick. I think I can just put my amps on pretty low and just not do a real deep penetrating weld, but just a good surface weld. Just help strengthen it up and give it some more room to wear. But I just can't see paying $130 for this thing. So I'm in here in the shop. I'm gonna put it on this wire wheel and get it cleaned up a little bit. Alright, we're going to get started welding on this piece. See what we can do with it. Hopefully this round's good enough. Doing what I want to. I just hope it ain't distorting my tube. I mean, it's hot. Well, it ain't pretty, but it damn sure filled the hole up pretty decent. Have some gaps in it. I ain't worried too much about the gaps. I just want the grooves filled in where it'll have room to groove some more. And I'm sure it will. So now, got one more side to do right here. It ain't near as deep as that other one. And then I'll show you the finished product. Sorry, it's damn big welder out of the pretty close. I'll turn this speed up to see if I can fill in some. Well, it ain't pretty because this MIG welder's damn pulse welding. But it's better than it was. And it's so cheaper than 130 freaking bucks. Well, I'll just show you this side. It ain't great. Can you see? It's hard to fucking see. Looks like crap, but it ain't all cut deep. So I still got one little groove there, but that ain't deep enough to worry me.